He's got his phone open.
Hi everyone, my name is Alma Ruiz and I would like to thank you for coming to my last lecture. This last lecture will be about climate change and why I think it is important. So what is climate change, you ask? You might have seen it in the news and you don't really know what the definition really is. Climate change is a change in the global or regional climate patterns, in particular a change apparent from the mid to late 20th century onwards and attributed largely to the increased levels of atmospheric carbon dioxide produced by the use of fossil fuels. And here I just have a couple images of what it looks like today, climate change. Okay, and what's happening and why? I got this information according to globalchange.gov. Researchers around the world have documented increases in temperatures around the Earth's surface, as well as in the atmosphere and oceans. Many other aspects of global climate are changing as well. High temperature extremes, heavy precipitation events are increasing, glaciers and snow cover are shrinking, and sea ice is retreating. Sea is warming up and becoming more acidic. This is making it harder for sea life to survive in their natural habitat. Wildfires are occurring more frequently and longer, and decreased air quality. So, the future with increased climate change. I got this information from climate.nasa.gov. So the Arctic will become ice-free, meaning that polar bears will die because they will have no more ice to live in, and then all their food will also be dead. More droughts, temperatures will rise, hurricanes will become stronger and more intense, sea levels will rise 2 to 4 feet a year. So for example, in 75 years, with the climate change as it is right now, some cities might be underwater. Longer, more intense heat waves, loss of biodiversity, meaning loss of habitats and animals, and then also a declining water supply. And right here I have some graphs of different emissions of levels determining the temperature rises and what it'll look like in the years to come. And right here I have another graph of climate change. So you might think that climate change is just affecting the Earth, but is also affecting everyone around us. So for example, we have climate change right there, and so with climate change we can get large amounts of heat waves. So for example, you get a heat wave, then you have reduced physical work capacity. For example, you're a farmer. So now you can't work as much because all your crops are dying because you're in a drought. Now the community is undernutrition, and then also with a heat wave the ozone increases, and now diseases like cardiovascular diseases and respiratory diseases are increasing. Okay, the importance of taking care of the Earth. The Earth is our home, provides us with food, shelter, and air. Clean environment and biodiversity is important, and the Earth is our one and only home. Steps to help the Earth. Save electricity, so unplugging the outlets when you're done, planting a tree, recycling, picking up your trash, taking shorter showers, turning off the faucet when you're done brushing your teeth, saving paper, cutting down plastic by using reusable grocery bags and reusable straws, donating used clothes, buying a reusable water bottle, and carpooling. How the Earth will improve if we take these steps. So we can, by planting more trees and plants, we'll clean and capture our air of carbon. Less wildfires will occur. Weather-related mortality rates will decrease, and habitats will thrive again. In conclusion, if we all help to minimize climate change, we can all one day live in a safer Earth again, a cleaner environment, and one that will be healthy enough for our future children and grandchildren to live in. And those are my references. Thank you.